Hello YouTube, Eli here, Whiskey Echo 9 November. In this video, I install LED lights on the Heathkit HW-8, particularly over the VFO knob and the tuning range of the transceiver. This kit I found online, same manufacturer of the previous kits of the relay board and the audio board, the Third Planet Solar website. And there are modifications out there to install lights to the front panel of this Heathkit, but this kit that I purchased was just really easy to install. Now it comes with two lights, but I only installed one over the main tuning knob, the VFO, because I found that that's all I really needed. The boards have an adjustable trimmer pot where you can increase or decrease the brightness. And the main reason why I wanted it is just to, make sure that whenever I turn on the radio, I can see that the radio is actually on. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and go into the video and you can watch me install the board. And at the end of this video, I tried getting into the weekly slow speed test, but my portable antenna setup wasn't ideal and didn't make any contacts. But I did have some fun setting out in the front yard and setting up the portable antenna system that I do have, and at least trying, because that's what all of this is about, is having fun and trying new things. And if you like my video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and ring that bell and subscribe. Thank you. So here I am prepping the wires to be soldered onto the LED light board. Like I said, this kit originally comes with two LED boards, one to go over the signal strength meter and one to go over the VFO. But I just opted to keep it on the VFO because I want to keep current consumption as low as possible. Even though with LEDs the consumption would be pretty low, I just wanted to keep it short and simple. So you can see here how small the board is, and it has two little clips that press onto the aluminum portion of the radio between the faceplate and the actual aluminum portion. Now mine wouldn't stay in place, so what I did was kind of super glued both ends onto the actual radio, and it held in place. Obviously not ideal, but it'll keep it from moving around. So both of the wire leads are soldered onto the board, and that completes the installation of the wires onto the board. And in the next segment of this video, I actually go through and install the wires to their appropriate locations onto the radio to supply the necessary 12 volts. You can see the board on the bottom of the screen, and the board receives its positive voltage from the volume switch, which is also the on and off switch. And originally I had wired it to the top portion where the always hot positive lead connects to the switch. And after finding that out, I went ahead and desoldered it and installed it on the bottom portion of the switch to where the light wouldn't remain on all the time. And in the instructions, it tells you that there is a terminal strip to the left of the signal strength meter. And in the middle of that terminal strip, there is a space where you can solder directly to ground for your negative voltage, or your negative 12 volts, thus completing the circuit on the LED board. You can see here that I soldered the wire to the top of the switch, and after finding out upon powering on the unit, I went ahead and desoldered it and moved it to the bottom of the switch. Okay, so you can see that I prepped the terminal strip with solder flux, and then I go in there, kind of bend the wire around to hook onto the terminal strip, and then I soldered it in place. Very quick and easy. Now this light board kit will also work on the HW-7 and the HW-9 QRP transceivers. The instructions illustrate how to get your voltage to the LEDs for each transceiver. But the Heathkit HW-8 is by far the easiest. And now I have lights on the radio, and I can operate this radio in the dark if I wanted to. Primarily I wanted the lights just to kind of be an indicator of whether or not the unit is powered on. So there you have it. In the next segment of this video, you will see me turning on and off the radio, showing the light illuminate, and then the end of this video is me trying to get a stab at the weekly SST, so enjoy.